The Wisdom of Albus Dumbledore, A Life of Magic and Purpose. In the enchanting world of wizards and witches, one name shines brighter than most, a name that conjures images of wisdom, magic, and unyielding purpose. Albus Dumbledore, the venerable headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, embodied the ideals of courage, leadership, and the power of good. His life was a tale of extraordinary achievements, profound knowledge, and unwavering dedication to the betterment of the wizarding world. Dumbledore's journey began in the quiet village of Mold-on-the-Wold, where he grew up as the son of Percival and Kendra Dumbledore. His family was unique, for his brother, Aberforth, and his sister, Ariana, were both wizards, and Ariana possessed immense magical power that could not be controlled. This early tragedy deeply affected Albus, shaping his character and values. As a student at Hogwarts, Dumbledore excelled in every subject, proving his immense intelligence, magical prowess, and commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. He became known as one of the most brilliant students the school had ever seen. His thirst for knowledge led him to befriend Gellert Grindelwald, another brilliant student, and together they dreamt of creating a new world order where wizards would rule. However, Dumbledore's youthful ambitions took a dark turn when he and Grindelwald, who had become increasingly radical, sought to impose their vision on the wizarding world. Their ideological rift eventually led to a violent confrontation that resulted in the defeat of Grindelwald. Dumbledore was left to bear the guilt of their actions for the rest of his life. Dumbledore's experiences with Grindelwald deeply influenced his character, causing him to value the importance of empathy, humility, and responsibility. He renounced his previous ambitions and dedicated his life to making amends for his past actions, advocating for the rights of all magical beings and fighting against the dark forces that threatened the wizarding world. His leadership at Hogwarts was marked by a commitment to nurturing young witches and wizards, helping them unlock their potential and guiding them on a path of morality, honor, and tolerance. As the headmaster, Dumbledore made it a point to ensure that all students, regardless of their backgrounds or magical abilities, felt welcome and valued at the school. Dumbledore's unwavering resolve in the face of the dark wizard Lord Voldemort made him a key figure in the fight against the dark forces. He was a founding member of the Order of the Phoenix, a secret organization dedicated to opposing Voldemort's tyranny. His strategic brilliance and wisdom were instrumental in countering Voldemort's dark arts. One of Dumbledore's most extraordinary achievements was his discovery of the Deathly Hallows, a trio of powerful magical artifacts that included the Elder Wand, the Resurrection Stone, and the Invisibility Cloak. These objects were tied to the legend of the Master of Death, and Dumbledore's understanding and handling of the Elder Wand demonstrated his profound knowledge and wisdom. As a mentor to Harry Potter, Dumbledore provided guidance, support, and valuable life lessons. He saw in Harry a potential to overcome the darkest of challenges and become a symbol of hope. His mentorship extended to numerous other students at Hogwarts, leaving an indelible mark on their lives. Dumbledore's final act was to ensure that the secrets of the Deathly Hallows remained hidden and to set the stage for the ultimate defeat of Voldemort. His self-sacrifice in the face of death underscored his belief in the greater good and the enduring power of love. The legacy of Albus Dumbledore transcended his lifetime. He became a symbol of wisdom, leadership, and unwavering dedication to the cause of good. His story was a testament to the potential for redemption and the enduring impact one individual could have in shaping the course of history. In a world filled with magic and wonder, the wisdom of Albus Dumbledore remained a beacon of light, guiding the way for future generations of witches and wizards. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.